Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable maintenance mode page on SiteGround. So before you creating an account, you will have to purchase the plan, and if you want to buy to premium or subscription of SiteGround, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code from me, and after you creating the account of SiteGround, just log in and search for the top right corner for maintenance mode and just plug in, and after next go in eliminator. So maintenance mode, choose to category for coming soon, and after also choose template coming soon. And today we explain in detail about the WordPress website maintenance mode, how eliminator can help you create under construction and coming soon in the simplest way. So this is how you can add maintenance mode. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.